Welcome to the channel, guys. Whether you're dreaming of that big purchase, working towards paying off debt, or simply looking for ways to manage your money more effectively, a budget is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. You see, a budget is not just about restricting your spending or depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about gaining control over your finances, making intentional choices, and ultimately empowering yourself to live the life you want. By creating a budget, you're taking a proactive step towards financial freedom and setting yourself up for long-term success. No matter what your current financial situation looks like, a well-designed budget can provide you with the clarity and direction you need. It allows you to make informed decisions about your income and expenses, prioritize your financial goals, and ensure that every dollar you earn is being utilized effectively. So, whether you're a college student, a young professional starting your career, or someone who wants to take their financial game to the next level, this video is for you. Together, we're going to explore the key steps in creating a budget that suits your unique needs and circumstances. The first step in creating an effective budget is to assess your current financial situation. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your budgeting journey. It's like taking a snapshot of where you currently stand financially so that you can make informed decisions moving forward. To begin, gather all your financial information in one place. This includes your bank statements, credit card statements, bills, and any other documents related to your income and expenses. Take a close look at your income sources, such as your salary, side hustles, investments, or any other sources of money coming in. Next, examine your expenses. Categorize them into different groups such as housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, entertainment, debt payments, and so on. Be thorough and ensure that you capture all your expenses, even the small ones that might seem insignificant. It's important to have a comprehensive understanding of where your money is going. Now let's look at your debts. Make a list of all your outstanding debts, including credit card debt, student loans, car loans, or any other debts you may have. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and total amounts owed for each debt. This will help you prioritize your debt repayment strategy later on. Once you have gathered all this information, take a step back and analyze your financial picture. Look for patterns and trends. Are there any areas where you're overspending? Are there any unnecessary expenses that can be eliminated or reduced? This assessment phase will help you identify opportunities for improvement and highlight areas where you can make adjustments to better align with your financial goals. Remember, this process is not about judgment or feeling overwhelmed. It's about gaining awareness and understanding. By assessing your current financial situation, you're taking a proactive step towards creating positive change and taking control of your finances. Now that you have a clear understanding of your current financial situation, it's time to shift our focus towards setting your financial goals. Setting goals is essential because they provide direction and purpose to your budget. They give you something tangible to work towards and help you stay motivated along the way. Once you have a list of goals, prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. Think about what truly matters to you and aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, it's okay to start with one or two goals and then expand as you make progress. Next, assign a specific dollar amount or target to each goal. For example, if your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, determine how much you need to save and by when. This clarity will help you break down the goal into manageable steps and track your progress more effectively. Writing down your goals is crucial. It makes them more tangible and serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Keep your goals visible, whether it's on a vision board, a digital note, or a journal. This visual representation will reinforce your commitment and keep you motivated during challenging times. Remember, your financial goals are personal and unique to you. Don't compare your goals to others or feel pressured to pursue something that doesn't resonate with you. Stay true to your own aspirations and create a budget that supports your vision of a fulfilling financial future. Now that you have assessed your financial situation and set your goals, it's time to dig into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, tracking your income and expenses. This step is crucial because it allows you to gain full visibility into your cash flow and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Let's start with tracking your income. Make a comprehensive list of all your income sources, including your salary, freelance work, side gigs, rental income, or any other sources of money coming in. Be sure to consider both your regular income and any irregular or variable income you may have. Once you have your income sources listed, it's time to track your expenses. This is where attention to detail is key. Start by categorizing your expenses into different groups, such as housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, entertainment, subscriptions, and debt payments. Be diligent in capturing every expense, even the small ones like coffee or snacks. This will give you an accurate picture of your spending habits. To track your expenses, you can use various tools and methods. Some people prefer using budgeting apps or personal finance software that automatically categorize transactions. Others opt for manual methods like using spreadsheets or dedicated budgeting notebooks. Remember to review your expenses regularly to identify any patterns or areas where you can cut back. Are there any subscriptions you no longer use or can downgrade? Are there opportunities to save on utilities or grocery expenses? Look for ways to optimize your spending and align it with your financial goals. Tracking your income and expenses is not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process. Make it a habit to review your transactions regularly, ideally on a weekly or monthly basis. This will help you stay on top of your finances, make adjustments as needed, and avoid any surprises. By tracking your income and expenses diligently, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your financial habits, identify areas for improvement, and make more informed decisions when allocating your money. It's an essential step towards creating a budget that works for you. The financial landscape is dynamic, and your circumstances may change over time. That's why it's essential to set aside dedicated time every month to review your budget. Remember, a budget is a flexible tool, not a rigid set of rules. It should adapt to your evolving circumstances. Be open to making adjustments that better reflect your current financial situation and goals. It's all about finding the right balance between discipline and flexibility. Additionally, take advantage of technology to simplify the budgeting process. Many budgeting apps and software can automate tracking and categorizing your expenses, making it easier for you to review and analyze your budget. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget will keep you accountable, ensure that you're making progress towards your goals, and help you make informed decisions about your money. It's a proactive approach that allows you to course correct and stay on track. So, mark your calendar and set a reminder to review your budget every month. Take the time to reflect, make necessary adjustments, and celebrate your achievements. Remember, your budget is a powerful tool that can lead you to financial success and a more secure future. So guys, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you may have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.